Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the Smart Manager section, then go to the battery detail, and here you have this option, battery percentage. You can don't show battery, you can show it inside the battery icon, next to the battery icon, as you wish. I'll just pick it inside the battery icon. That's how it looks, and that's how it looks like when it's next to the battery icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.